So for the spray, I'm going to be using aloe vera juice and distilled water for the basis of it. And I'll also be adding in some rose water and glycerin. This is just one that I got from Ulta. I was kind of hesitant to get this, but I looked into it and I saw a few other lock gurus using it, so I was like, let me just give it a try. I've seen people use toners, but I don't know, I gotta look a little more into that before I just use like a rose water toner for my hair. I start off with my aloe vera juice, and I'm gonna fill it up with mostly the aloe vera juice because it is very hydrating for your hair. So I'm gonna put about that much in there. Oh, I spilled some. I actually put a little bit more than I planned, but that's okay, it's no biggie. So I'm gonna go about here with the distilled water. Then I'm gonna finish it off with my rose water. I'm almost out of this, so I'll have to get some more. I hydrate my locks every day because, honey, we need them to flourish, and we don't do dryness over here. We don't do dryness. So I have just a tiny bit of that left, but I don't want to overfill the bottle, so I'm just gonna leave that be. I'm not gonna lie, I use quite a bit of essential oils because they all have different benefits and I love the smell of them all together. So with my essential oils, I will do between 2 and 5 drops of each, and I'll go like lesser on like the tea tree and the peppermint just because they are very potent and you don't need too much of that. So I'm just gonna list them off before I start adding them. I will be using tea tree, peppermint, lemongrass, eucalyptus, sandalwood, a little bit of jasmine. Oh, and I'm gonna use lavender as well. Let me look back at my notes and make sure I put that in both of them. Yeah. So I'll be using lavender as well in my spray. So that was lemongrass. I just did 4 drops. Tea tree and peppermint, I'm gonna do like 2 to 3 drops. And the tea tree one, it comes out super fast. So you have to be like careful because once I put way too much in there. Peppermint. I hate when they don't just drop. Like, I can see you drop. Drop it low. Drop it. Okay. And if you want to get into like what these do, then I would say just Google them. Some of them have like antibacterial properties. Some of them help with growth and hydration. Was eucalyptus, and I'm not gonna lie, I mainly just put the jasmine one in there. That's gonna be the next one I put in. I mainly put that in for scent. I absolutely love jasmine. It is such a beautiful scent. And it's okay if you put like 1 more drop or like 1 too little drop than you would like to. It's not a big deal, I promise. And last but not least, a couple drops of lavender. At least I don't think I've put. Yeah, no, it doesn't smell like any lavender. Oh, y'all see that? Like, it just pours. Because sometimes I'm not sure how. I guess because I keep mine in this little box that they came in. Maybe because they're laying down, like it'll drain out. But I'm just gonna add a little bit more because is so much already dropped in there. Oh, and see, I put too much. It's spilling. So don't be like me. I overfilled my bottle just a tad bit. Just shake it up. And this is one of the the 360 spray bottles, so, or the continuous spray bottles, so it'll keep spraying. So I really like that. Okay, so now for my oil. So I'll be using a mixture of grapeseed oil and extra virgin extra virgin olive oil for my hair oil. Again, I would say look into them. I did some research before I chose to use these particular ingredients, and I just don't remember exactly why I chose these in particular. So I have this little oil bottle that I have from a previous product, but if you don't have one, then I'm pretty sure you can find one on Amazon or maybe even at your local beauty supply store. And as you can see, I still have a little bit of the oil in here, so I'm just gonna mix equal parts of the oils and then get into what essential oils I will be using. Oh my Jesus, this stuff just wants to spill out on me. Just moisturize my hands with the residue real quick. And I'll say that this is my second time remaking the oil. It's my third time remaking my hydration spray. So as I continue with my lock journey, I have no doubt that I'll take some few things out, add a few things. But as of right now, this is what I like. I'll say I especially love the smell. My hydration spray, it smells so yummy. It just smells like a Black successful woman. I'm gonna leave a little bit open at the top just because I don't want to overfill like I did with my spray. So for my oil, I'm gonna do about, I'd say between about 2 to 4 drops for each of them, just because the bottle is smaller and I don't want to oversaturate my hair in the oils. So I am going to be using Rosemary, Lavender, Jasmine, Teatree, Lemongrass, and Peppermint oil. So it's just a couple that I didn't use from the other one, and then I added the Rosemary. And I will say that I'm not sure if I'll continue using the extra virgin olive oil. I mean, I would say the essential oils does kind of take away the smell a little bit, but I'm not a fan of the scent of olive oil. And I did a couple more drops of the Jasmine than previous, just because I told you I like the scent. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Lavender just so that the stick can be a little more potent. So yeah, that is the oil and my hydration spray. So like I said, I'm still in the beginning of my lock journey, but as of right now, these are what I've been using to care for my hair. And I would say my locks feel pretty moisturized. Like, I'll spray the hydration spray every day, and I'll do the oil, I'd say like every other day or every two, like do it one day, like skip 2 days and then do it. It just kind of depends on how my hair is feeling, because even though hydration is good, you don't want to like over moisturize your hair, especially when it's just now locking. But yeah, I hope that this video was very enjoyable and informative for you guys. If you have any questions about my locks or the products, my lock journey in general, then feel free to leave them down below. Other than that, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.